part currently, but I completed the front end. Uh, so there are two projects I have completed. One is the Study Notion app, and second one is the Mentorize uh, project.
First one, what?
Study Notion.
Uh, is it individual or group project?
It's an individual project I have created only.
You have created that projects. Both the projects
Yeah,
you have created?
yeah, yeah, individual.
Yes. Okay. What knowledge do you have on for the backend
Uh,
developer? You have applied for the backend
yes,
developer, right?
yes, ma'am. I actually want to say that I have applied for the backend developer, but can I switch from the backend to the front end internship?
Yes.
Yeah, so I want to
You
switch
want
from
to
the back.
shift your domain backend to frontend, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What knowledge do you have on frontend? How many
And
do you know?
yeah, in front end, I have known HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, and also the Tailwind part. These are the skills I have acquired in the front end.
Uh, which one do you know well?
I am very
JavaScript or
familiar with React.
which one?
React,
Uh, you know very well about the React one.
yeah, yeah.
Ye- Yes. When you are able to join this internship, if you are selected,
Actually, my semester exams are going on, so it will finish on 3rd of June. So after that, in 4th, I am available to join. 4th June from.
for June you are available. At what is your
Yeah.
working timings?
After 6 evening time.
6 to 11.
Yeah.
Okay. Same as you can join your meeting QR code in the link,
Okay.
the website. If you didn't find that, you can come here. We will give the link.
Okay. So in the QR code, there are front-end developer and also there is a React. So which should I join? So
You are interested which one? I think you are interested in front end, right?
yeah, yeah, front-end.
Yeah, you can go through front end.
Okay. Okay. Then I should leave here.
Yes, you can. You can. Lokesh.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Lokesh, introduce yourself.
I'm Lokesh Chilkuri from Andhra University, doing BTech second year Geoinformatics. During my, I'm applied for the internship UI UX domain, and I done projects. I done startup in uh, AHub and Halt Price programs, and I am my startup idea is in research stage, and I have basic knowledge of UI UX.
How many projects do you have done?
Ma'am, projects, it is not from CSE background. I done project on GIS and GPS remote sensing.
Yeah. How many
And
projects? Number of projects can you count?
one project, ma'am, I done.
Only one project. It
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
individual project or group project?
It's a group project, ma'am.
It is a group project. Uh, how much knowledge do you have on UI UX?
Basic level, ma'am.
Basic level.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. When you are able to join this internship, if you are selected,
After 5 or 6, ma'am.
5 or 6 timings, but date we give
Uh, Timings 5 p.m.
not.
or 6 p.m., ma'am.
Can you tell me the date?
If I am selected today, I will join from tomorrow onwards, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have laptop?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay then, Lokesh, you can go through your QR code in the website. If you didn't find it, you can come to
Which QR,
this
ma'am?
meeting.
UAX QR, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Abhishek? Yeah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Abhishek. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. So hello, my name is Abhishek Dobriyal, and I have recently completed my MCA, and currently I am learning and working on backend, and I have created few projects in backend. Along with that, I have also some knowledge in machine learning and AI.
What projects do you have done?
Uh, in backend.
Yes.
Okay, so recently I have completed my it's an online voting application. So I've used Node.js and Express, and for database I've used MongoDB.
How many projects do you have done in backend?
2 to 3 projects.
Is it individual or
Yeah, in backend the projects are like my personal projects, so individual.
you done 2 to 3 projects individually in backend? What knowledge do you have in backend?
So I have like basic to intermediary. I know like Node.js, Express, and yeah.
Is there any other language do you know?
Yeah, I have like I know a few like some of the like ML part, machine learning part.
In backend, there are a lot of languages. Which languages do you want to?
Node.js, Node.js.
You want Node.js and backend, right?
Yes,
Yes. Do you have laptop?
yes.
Yeah. What is your working timings?
I can join like work timing, you mean like shift hours?
Yes.
Okay, so I am available like anytime that is convenient to you, morning or evening.
When you are flexible,
Okay, so like maybe 10 or 11 in morning.
your your working timings start from 10
In the
a.m.,
morning,
right?
right? Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, when you are able to join this internship
Next week onwards, I can join.
next week, can you tell me the date?
Date. Uh,
Yes.
uh, I don't know, maybe it's like coming Monday. I think it's 26th. Not this Monday, the Monday coming after this week.
18. No, not 19.
No, like next to next week.
19 after next week.
Next to next week. I think it's 26th.
26.
Yeah.
You are able at 26, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you briefly explain about your project?
All right. So I've worked on online voting application, and in this, like I have basically created some people who will be voting few candidates, and then I have given the role-based access. So I've created an admin who can like create a new candidate, and he can manage the people who can vote. And then I have used like authentication and authorization, so that only the valid people, or like I've used like Aadhaar card to verify if the person is genuine or not. And then you can vote, and it will also like register your vote timing, and also like one person can vote at a time. So all of these I have implemented.
You said that you have done 2 to 3 projects.
Yeah.
You said in that one project. Can you explain the other projects also?
All right. So other project was a basic to-do list, and uh, yeah, so basic CRUD operations I've implemented. Along with that, I have implemented like secure like authentication. And currently, I'm also like trying to learn the real-time uh, like real-time chatting or real-time like conversation. So sockets are like I'm working on sockets and learning sockets.
Okay, so just a minute, Shalini. Guys, I'm going to share one link in the chat. You all can save this link, and after your meeting ends, you can register here as a student. And once you are done, you have to send the screenshot on WhatsApp to me. And if you find any difficulties, you can tell me, okay? I'll also share my phone number in the chat. And I've I've shared that this is the starter world link, so you all can register here as a student, and this is compulsory. Everybody needs to do this. Okay. Yeah. So I've also mentioned my phone number. You can contact me if you find any difficulties. Okay. After your another meeting ends, you can start registering here. Yeah, Shalini, you can go ahead.
Yes. Yes, Abhishek, you can go through your QR code in the website.
Right.
You can join that meeting.
Should I join the backend or the Node.js link? There are
Both
two
are
links.
one. There are 2 links.
There are two links, I think. One is for backend and one is for Node.js separately.
You applied for the backend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one you are need to join?
No, actually, Node.js is part of backend only, so I'm confused. Like, should I join the Node.js part, Node.js link?
Which one you are known well about?
Node.js.
Yeah, you can join the Node.js.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
After this meeting, you yeah, okay.
Sorry.
After the meeting, you can register the startup code, which has been sent the link in the chat box.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yes, Noor Basha, you can turn on your camera.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is
Yeah.
Nasiruddin. I am from Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh, ma'am. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in RGKT Tribal Ongol, ma'am, in computer science branch, and I am going to fourth year, ma'am. Coming to my regular project activities, I have done job portal webs. I have done a project on a full stack development, ma'am, using the HTML, CSS for the front end, and for the coming to the back end, I use Node.js, ma'am. It is a job portal website, ma'am. It is a medium. It will act as a medium between the job seekers and employers, ma'am.
How many projects do you have done?
I completed 3 projects in full stack development, ma'am.
Is it individual or
It is one
group
one
project?
of them is individual, ma'am, and 2 of them individual, and one of them group project, ma'am.
One is. Can you explain briefly about the individual projects?
Ma'am.
Can you explain
Uh,
the projects
Ma'am, one
briefly?
is yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. One is a job portal website, ma'am. Another one is e-commerce website, and another one is normal Amazon front end website, ma'am. Coming to the job portal website, it will easy in that there are 3 categories, ma'am. One is a job employer, and another one is employee, and another one is owner, ma'am. the owner will directly give access to the admins, ma'am, and the admins will add any new opportunities, job opportunities, ma'am, and job seekers will directly go into the website and they will apply if there is any position available, ma'am. And coming to the e-commerce website, simply used some CRUD operations for creating the website, ma'am, to gain some experience and skill, to increase my skills in the back end and front end development, ma'am. Yes.
How much knowledge do you have on Node.js?
Node.js, I will give out of 3.5 out of 5 rating, ma'am.
You can give it. Are you well known about Node.js?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done any projects in Node.js backend?
In all these in job portal website, I use it Node.js as a backend, ma'am.
Mm. Okay. What is your, do you have a laptop?
Yes, ma'am. I have it.
Okay. When are you are able to join this internship?
On May 26th, ma'am.
May 26th.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your working timings?
From 10 a.m. onwards, ma'am.
10 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Same as you, Bajra.
Okay,
Join the
ma'am.
QR code in the meeting, in the
Okay, ma'am.
website. If you
Okay,
are
ma'am.
finding any difficulties, you can join this meeting again. We will send you the link.
Okay.
After
Okay,
that
ma'am.
meeting, you need to register in the startup code.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Pavani,
Yes,
Pavani, are
ma'am.
you there? Can you
Yes,
please
ma'am.
introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. I am B. Pavani Lakshmistry and I am currently pursuing BTech third year CSC at RGUKT Ungal, ma'am, Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies. I don't have, I have basic knowledge on Node.js, ma'am. Even then, I have strong knowledge on Java, Python programming languages, ma'am. So I'm very eager for learning about Node.js, ma'am. So I have joined this internship, ma'am. I have done two projects, ma'am, and they are based on ML, ma'am, AI and ML, Python, ma'am. They are Scott Enterprise and I have done small projects on Python, ma'am, and I have knowledge on JavaScript also. So, so as I am very eager to know front end development, I have joined this internship, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have done two projects, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Those are group or individual?
They are group projects, ma'am. Minor projects. They are minor projects, ma'am.
Yes. You have basic knowledge in Node.js, right?
Yes, ma'am. And
Are
I
you
have
well known about?
only few knowledge on Node.js, ma'am. I don't have much knowledge, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Do you have laptop?
I have laptop, ma'am.
Can you tell me the date of joining for this internship?
On June 1st, ma'am.
Working timings?
Working timings from
Pavani, turn on your camera.
Wednesday.
When
I
you
will
guys, when you are introducing yourself, you turn on your cameras.
Okay,
Yeah, you can continue, Pawan.
yes, ma'am. When you say I will start, ma'am. Working timings.
As you flexible, Pavani, can you tell me the flexible time?
Yes, ma'am. From June mid month onwards, we have college, ma'am. So it's better in the evenings, ma'am.
Uh, next only, can you tell me the timings?
Time 7:30 onwards, ma'am.
7:30 onwards. Yes, Pavani, you can join the QR code in the website.
Okay, ma'am.
You can go there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sri Harati, can you please introduce yourself?
Good evening, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera. Yes.
Mm,
Yes, Sri
Uh,
Harati.
yes, ma'am. I'm Srihasti and I'm currently studying. I have completed my third year BTech from Computer Science Department in Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, Ongole. And coming to the projects I have done, there are two major projects that I've done. One is AI powered virtual assistant. I completely built it from scratch using Python. And later I integrated it with Gemini API. And coming to my second project, it is online voting system. These two I have developed with Node. These two I have developed with Python itself. I've used the framework Flask to develop that website. And coming to the front end part, I use it HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the two main projects. Apart from these, I have done some mini projects, which are like basic projects like to-do list, weather apps, etc.
You said that you have done two major projects. Can you please explain briefly about it?
Uh, First one is virtual AI assistant. I use it Python frameworks to develop this project. There is speech to text recognition in this project. I use it Python for this, and based on the voice, it can assist us. It has both features through which we can interact with the chatbot. Like we can give commands through either voice or through text, and it will return the output in both voice and text. I've included many features in it, and um, for real-time chat-like feel, I've integrated with Gemini API. And coming to the second project, it is online voting system. There are two portals in this, like admin portal and voter portal. Like user portal, admin portal can manage operations, like he can add the candidates, view the results, and conduct the elections. Whereas the voter portal, voters can register themselves, sign in, and vote and participate in the elections. These are my two main projects, ma'am.
What knowledge do you have on Node.js?
Ma'am, I am a beginner in Node.js. I've currently enrolled in Node.js course in Infosys Spring Boot, and I have a basic knowledge regarding it. And I'm working on few projects. I'm working on a single project that is talkative app, like it's a chatbot through Node.js, and also I'm building library management system through Node.js.
Okay, you have beginner knowledge for the Node.js, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from the Node.js, what knowledge do you have in the languages?
Ma'am, I have a very good knowledge in Python, let it be data structures or backend development. And I have a good knowledge on Java. And HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I can deal good.
Okay, you said that you done the two major projects. Is it individual or group?
Ma'am, online voting system is a group project, and AI AI assistant is
I can't hear your voice. Can you please repeat it?
ma'am. Online voting system is a group project, and AI virtual assistant is individual project.
Yeah, okay. If you are selecting what is your working timings and when you are able to join this internship,
Ma'am, I'm ready to join immediately, and coming to my working time, I can work from 9 to 5.
9 p.m.
9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Or I'm comfortable on any time, ma'am.
Just tell me the starting timings when you are able
9
to join.
a.m., ma'am. 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay. Can you tell me the day you can join immediate or
Yes,
you
ma'am, I
can
can
take
join
it?
immediately. I can join
Yeah.
immediately, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Harati, you can join the QR code in the website. If you find any
Okay.
difficulties while joining that, just come to this meeting. And after that meeting, you need to register in the startup world.
Okay, ma'am.
Rajendra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Rajendra, I think he's not. Balaji, Mayuri Balaji, are you there?
Yes,
Hello. Hello.
hello. Yes, ma'am. This is Mayuri Shinde.
Yes, can you please introduce yourself and turn on the camera?
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mayuri Balaji Shinde, and I have done my diploma in Rajiv Gandhi Polytechnic, Udgir, and now I am pursuing BTech Engineering MIT CSC student, and I have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and Java.
Do you have done any project?
I have done one project in diploma, that is music player,
Is it individual or group project?
group project, ma'am.
Can you please explain about the project? Hello.
Our project is
Yes.
music player, and we create a playlist of music, and it music. Sorry, ma'am, I can't explain properly.
Which domain do you have applied?
UI UX designing, ma'am.
Uh, uh, do you know well about that?
I have basic idea for UX and UI designing.
You have basic idea for that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are selected, what is your working time and date of your joining?
From 11th June and time is 5 p.m.
Whereas you, Mayuri, you can join the QR code in the website. If you find any difficulties, you can join this meeting again.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, Shalini. Komal here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is your orientation done?
Yes, ma'am. Today orientation section has been done.
Okay, so let them to go into the respective meeting link. Okay, Rakesh sir is on PIX. Okay, so so if you have done with your orientation session, you can let them go on respective meetings.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is there anyone else who didn't introduce yourself? Is there anyone else who didn't introduce yourself in this meeting?
Only 5 people have joined today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One.
So
No,
Abhinav,
actually, more were there, ma'am, but they all have gone to their respective meeting.
okay, fine. Yeah.
Sanika, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Shalini.
I think there was someone else.
There was what?
There is no one else in the meeting, I think. No one is responding.
Okay, nobody's responding.
Yes, there are few members, Abhinav. I don't know whether they are for this meeting or
Which
and
meeting?
Nafia and Sharma.
Which meeting?
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Nafia.
Yes,
I can introduce myself.
yes. Can you please
So,
turn on your camera and drop the details in chat box?
ma'am,
Which
sorry,
team
ma'am.
leader is not available, Shalini?
Not the team leader, ma'am. I didn't say that the team leader is not.
Okay, but someone is saying that they have joined meeting link and someone is not present over there.
I said that some not responding. In this meeting, someone is not responding.
In this meeting. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Navya, can you please introduce yourself and drop the details in chat box and turn on your camera?
I'm currently facing technical issue with my camera. So, can I continue to introduce myself without turning the camera on?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm Nafia. I'm pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology at Sedu Institute of Technology. I'm a pre-final year student, and I have a hand-on experience in Java, SQLs, and also I have a little bit experience, working experience in Node.js also, ma'am. Actually, I'm really interested in and joined on a back data analysis that course, ma'am, that sector, but I can't able to attend this today. So I also join on backend also. I have done 2 to 3 projects, one major projects and 2 minor projects, ma'am.
Can you please explain briefly about the projects?
Okay, ma'am. The major project is like a disaster management project, ma'am. It's a real-time data gathering one, which integrate with the cloud platform, and we use APIs to integrate we fetch the details, disaster related news from news portals and online social media apps, ma'am. Using NLP, we fetch the details about the disaster, and use a dashboard, categorization dashboard, using the Tableau and Power BI, ma'am. We also use Firebase for backend integrated with Java.
Uh, you have done how many individual projects and how many group projects?
I have done one group project and 2 individual project. The 2 individual project is like, ma'am, a website which it's a restaurant website, ma'am, with the backend, with full furnished front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and with the backend data like Java and the SQL, ma'am. And another project is like a freelancing app, ma'am, a freelancing website, where user can join based on their domain knowledge, and search for freelancing, engage with the business related to their work, and they engage with the client who to done their projects, need to done their works, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Which domain you have applied?
Actually, I applied for both data analytics and backend, but I have more knowledge in data analytics than backend, ma'am.
When you are able to join this internship?
I can able to join on June first week, from June first week, and I have colleges, so it's better to working time. It's better on evening from 7:30, ma'am.
7:30. You can also join the QR code in the website.
Okay, ma'am. From the
If you
startup
are
world,
what?
it's from the startup world, the link, or
No, no.
uh, CN,
Yes,
CJN.
CJN. Yes,
Oh,
CJN.
sure.
You can find the QR code. You can join the QR code by using your data analyst domain.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
You-
you, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I can leave now?
Yeah, yeah. You can leave. You can join that meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Abhinav, are you there?
Hello,
Yeah. Yes, Abhinav.
am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so basically, I'm Abhinav
Drop
from.
your details in chat box.
I have already dropped my details personally to you.
Personally,
Yeah.
you can drop the details in chat box.
Okay. Afterwards, my interview.
Yeah. Okay then.
So I'm
Introduce yourself.
yeah. Okay. I'm Abhinav from Haryana. I'm currently pursuing my BTech from mechanical engineering, and I have applied for the tech caller, I guess. Yeah, tech caller position for the interview, and I have done my secondary education from my native place where I live, and my secondary educations too. And my soft skills were like my communication skills is good, in my team I'm team leaderships having and problem solvings, and my technical skills is like I have done my MATLAB in my designings and designings. That's all.
Which domain do you have applied?
Tech caller, ma'am.
Telecaller?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your education background?
I'm from National Institute of Kurukshetra Technology, second year.
Ma'am? Hello, Sonika ma'am.
Yes, Shalini.
What is for the process for telecallers?
They can be here itself. I mean, we don't have separate meeting for them. So, who is this Abhinav, right? So,
Yes,
Abhinav,
ma'am.
do you have any experience before this? I mean, have you worked anywhere or any internships have you done?
No, ma'am, that's my first internship I'm applying for.
Okay. All right. So, when are you going to join?
I'm joining from 1st June.
Okay, you're joining from 1st June.
Yep.
May I know the reason? Why not now? Why in July?
Because my currently my exams were going on, so my exams were over after nearly about 1 week, 1 June.
Okay, okay, all right. And what are your working timings? At what time are you working?
Okay, my working times was around 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yeah.
Actually, that would be too late for a telecaller. We need somebody who can work in the daytime.
Daytime. Ma'am, basically because I have to pursue my projects under the professors, so that's why I have to do projects.
Okay. Is there any possibility that you can start a bit early?
Hmm. From dates or time perspective.
Time.
I because ma'am, like I have talked to my professors and he said like you have to work for the whole day. 9 to 5 is I'm working with my professor, and evening I'm available.
Okay,
I can
okay,
shift
no problem.
around 5:30 to max.
5:30.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Then you can start at 6 also. It's fine. I mean,
Yeah.
okay, no problem. Yeah. So, Abhinav, you can register yourself on Starter World.
On?
On Starter World, I've shared that link in the chat. If you can see it, please register there as a student. And if you find any difficulties, you can tell. Okay, I've also shared my phone number in the chat. You can
Yeah.
save it and you can contact me on WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Is there anybody left, Shalini, or they are done with
Yes,
it?
ma'am. One. I think
Okay.
sure. Abhinav, can you please share your details in the chat box?
Okay, fine, ma'am. I will share.
Yes. Sharma, can you please introduce yourself?
No.
Mr. Sharma, are you there?
No, no, only I think one more of Abhinav is there and Tushar Sharma. Only these two people are
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
The other Abhinav is also me, ma'am.
Okay, that's also you.
Yeah.
Okay, only then Tushar
One.
Sharma joined now.
Yes.
Yeah, first he can drop his details in the. Yeah, he has done.
He has dropped the details.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm myself Tushar. I'm from Delhi and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in computer application from Maharaja Suryamal Institute under IT University. And I have done my schooling from DAE Pushpanjali, Pitampura. And I have applied for this internship as a Java developer intern. Actually, I have not done major projects in Java, but intermediate I have done like student management system, banking management, and weather app like. And currently, I am exploring AI and ML and working on upon the projects.
Do you have well known about Java development? Java?
Yes, ma'am.
What projects you have done?
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. What projects you have done?
Ma'am, like student management system, banking management, and library management system.
Is it all are individual or group project?
Yes, ma'am. I'm individual.
Nearly 2 to 3 projects you have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have done any Java projects?
Ma'am, Java projects. These all are Java projects, ma'am.
These are all Java projects.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Ma'am,
please explain briefly about your Java projects? Exactly what you have done. What is your
ma'am,
part?
ma'am, like in banking management system, I have integrated with MySQL to generate a database, including the working upon the input that is given by the user.
Yeah, okay. What is your working timings and working day for
I'm
this
working
internship?
timing. I'm working timings 8 p.m. and I'm day from 15th of June.
Why 50?
And because I have having my semester exams.
Okay, do you have a laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can also join the QR code in the website from the CJN. If
Okay,
you
ma'am.
find any difficulties, you can join this meeting again. After that
Oh,
meeting, you need to register in the startup call as a student.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You can leave this meeting and join that QR.
Thank you.
Ma'am, there is no one in this meeting.
Yeah, I
All
mean,
are come.
we can wait for 10 more minutes, then we can end the meeting.
Yeah, okay. I will update the Excel.
Yeah, sure. Shalini, in total, how many members came in the meeting?
Today, 11 members are in, ma'am.
Only
11
11.
to 12. Yes, ma'am.
No, but there were more members. I mean, even I saw
No,
like
ma'am. First, I have taken the Abhishek interview. Just a second, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 12 members, ma'am. But two are not introduced themselves and they are leaving this meeting.
okay, only 12 people came.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think today there was some issue in the website, maybe. Many were saying that they are not able to find the, QR of HR meet and greet. But if that is the issue, then how can others join, right?
Yes, ma'am. But in startup also there are some issues. Most of the interns, when they're registering the startup call, they're complaining me regarding their date of birth and one more thing, they didn't adding the task in their website.
Yeah, task we can add and we can, edit their date of birth as well. We can log in the staff as a staff, and then we can click on their profiles, and from there we can, do that.
While they can update themselves, no, ma'am. While updating also, they are not resolving the problem.
Yeah, I mean they
It's
can't
not
do that. I mean, they don't have that option. I mean, there's an option, but that doesn't work. So they can't do that. Only we can do that as a staff.
okay.
So you can
Can
ask
you tell
them
me
their
how
name.
can we do that?
Yeah, you can
There are
ask them.
so many members who are joining
Okay, just a minute. I'm getting a call. I'll talk to you. I'm getting a call from you.
this. Yes, ma'am. Can I leave this meeting now?
Hello, hello, Salini.
Yeah.
Yeah, please don't
Yes,
discuss.
yes.
Please don't discuss here. This is going live on YouTube and it will be also live on CGN. You can go on some other
Okay.
call and then discuss.